to show you today the new Avon Powerstay Brow Pomade, and I've got this in the darkest brown. It's just called 24-hour Brow Pomade, and it is absolutely fabulous. It's got this lovely little brush, look. See that? Tiny, tiny, lovely little brush. And then we open it up, and inside you've got this. And then all we need to do is put some on the brush. You don't want too much, but just enough. And I always start by, not that one, got it. Right, I always start with this. We're just going to shape them how we want them to be. Quickety quick, it takes literally 5 minutes. And then all we're going to do is, I like to start in the middle, give myself a starting point, and then I come over to where my point is, and then bring it down. And that's all that bit is just from one dip. It goes far. So this is going to last me ages. And see, I've got all these little bald patches in my eyebrows. I'm going to go in and fill those in. And it is just wonderful. It goes on lovely. You can spread it as much as you want to. So you can give the appearance of lashes rather than just a block of colour. You can fan it a bit so it looks like actual brow hairs. Same this side. Start in the middle, straight to the point. My camera's gone funny. And then down. Back in we go, so we can go to the front. I like to do little strokes first, and then I go back and fan them out. Just so I can give myself a guideline first. And then once that's done, you can go back with your brush, just blend it in, make sure it's all where you want it to be. And there you have it. Brow's all done. And that is the Powerstay 24-hour Brow Pomade.